Okay. The fourth lecture of this trigonometry. One to four we have completed. But before that, I want to write tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, cot theta, cos theta by sin theta, sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Cos theta sec theta is equal to 1. Tan theta cot theta is equal to 1. 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. You have to keep in mind this point, then only we can start. Our problem. So 1 to 4 we have completed. Fifth one, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus cosec theta. Sec. Left side is given, right side we have to prove. So screen is okay, no? Not blur. Priya, Priya,
Yes, sir.
screen is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Left hand side it is given cot theta plus tan theta. Now what is cot theta? It is cos theta by sin theta. Tan theta is what? Sin theta cos theta. In bracket you have to write what we have substituted. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, and tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. That you have substituted. Now cross product. Left hand side is equal to cos into cos square theta, sin into sin square theta, sin theta cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is why these points I have written. From that only we are substituting. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Sin theta dot cos theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. I have substituted. So the simple way, now this will be separate. 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. Equal to right hand side. Correct? So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta. Always you have to take only left hand side. Then convert all the things into sine and cos. Then simplify, use identity, use this product one identity. Try to get right answer. So write full equation, then write only left hand side. Try to balance, try to substitute, try to get right hand side. So is equal to right. Again you have to write left is equal to right. Then again you have to write what you have proved. These are the steps, all steps you have to write. Don't miss any step. Next, it is 1 by sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan. Yesterday I have asked one question, but nobody have replied. I don't know, students are busy what, not listening any instruction. For the competition link I am sending, that you are also not obeying. For link I have to remind again and again. Start I have to remind again and again. Very bad. So sec theta we will substitute 1 by cos theta, and tan theta we will substitute sin theta by cos. So left hand side 1 by sec theta tan. So sec theta is equal to, this is right, 1 by 1. Sec is equal to 1 by cos theta. Every day same problem, mic problem. You are in 10th standard and every day 5 times like a primary student I have to instruct. Cos is common, so 1 minus sin theta. Now invert, cos theta 1 minus. Correct. Now I want tan and sec. So with conjugate pair I will multiply and divide. Cos theta 1 minus sin theta 1 plus sin theta 1 plus sin multiply and divide by 1 plus sin. Two substitution I have done. Then cos common I have taken. Now inverted. I don't want 1 minus sin. So conjugate pair. So this will be remain same. Cos theta 1 plus sin theta. A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. So 1 square is 1. Correct. You know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. So this will be cos square. Substitute 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So what will be cos theta? Cos bracket 1 minus sin theta second bracket. So this is cos square theta. So cos theta, cos theta, cos and cos will cancel. Then Priya, remove no whose mic is on. Priya,
Sir, all are mute.
Voice is coming. I'm hearing the voice. Cos cancel. 1 plus sin theta cos theta by equal ratio theorem. Please total divided by cos. 1 divided by cos, 10 divided by cos. Because here when we can join from this also we can separate. That is the property of that is by equal ratio theorem. Okay, 1 by cos. 1 by cos sin by cos by cos. Right and right. Let's say RS. Right. Again, I want to explain this. 1 by sec minus 10. So sec is equal to 1 by sec. Sec is equal to 1 by cos. 10 is equal to 1 by cos. 1 by 1. 1 minus sec divided by cos. Now this invert. Cos 1 minus sec. You don't want this. So which you don't want that, you take the conjugate pair. Plus 2 minus minus 2. Middle sign only. One side is that. Right side not. Sin square plus cos is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square is equal to cos. So remove this, write cos square. Cos square means cos into cos. Because single power will be cancelled. See. Now 1 divided by cos, sine divided by 1 divided by cos is equal to sec. So I will sec. Sine divided by cos is equal to tan. If you have any question, you can ask. This is sixth question. And there is one correction in seventh question, instead of sec, write sine. Write sine. Because with sec it is not possible to prove left is equal to right. Sine raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is equal to, we have to prove 1 minus 2 cos square. This is the question. Here they have given sec. You correct it as a sine. Because it's a printing mistake. So left hand side, sine raised to 4 theta cos raised to 4. I will convert into square. So
Sir, from your side, voice is coming.
here no one is there except me. 100%. So sine square theta square into square 4. Like that cos square theta raised to 4 means 2 power 2 power square of square power 2 of power. Now you know that a plus b, a minus b. So this now square, square and square. So you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta minus cos square theta. Right in the bracket, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. Understood? This will be 1. This is sin square theta minus cos square theta. By substituting sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, we don't want sine, we only want cos. So this we want, this we don't. So we know that sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So what is sin square? 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta. Why? Reason is what? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta, because minus cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 2 cos square theta is equal to right. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, sin raised to 4 theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. If you have any question, you can ask and explain again. Sin raised to 4 cos raised to 4, that is a left hand side. Then 2 power of 2 power I have written in square form, because we have the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b. So I have converted to that form. Now this is your a, this is your b. So a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b a minus b. Now sin square minus cos square we don't have formula. We have the formula for sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is 1. So whatever you are substituting, that you have to write in that. So 1 multiplied by the product, that will be the same. Now sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So what is sin square? Sin square is equal to 1 minus cos square. Minus cos square minus cos square. Right. The first question, then only like the left side, then simplify, try to get right side. Then your right is equal to right. Your left is equal to. This is the system. This only you have to obey. Don't try your mind. Don't try yours. Try to do like this.
So,
See.
so
Say.
in between your voice is not coming.
Should I explain this again?
No, sir, but in between your voice is not coming.
Okay. Let me check the connection. It is okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I think there is a network problem. Is it okay now? Hello?
Yes.
Is it okay? Because network is doing better. Okay, next. This was 7th. Now 8th one. Sec theta plus tan theta cos theta 1 minus sin theta. From left to right, we have to prove this. So left hand side is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now what is sec theta? Sec theta is 1 by cos. So 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we will write sec theta, we have substitute as 1 by cos. Tan theta we have sin by cos. Cos common denominator you can join, but we don't want cos here. We want cos here. So multiply. There are two methods. So multiply and divide by cos theta. Cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta. Multiply and divide by cos theta. Here 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Multiply divide by 1 plus sin theta. Suppose I want cos, so I will multiply by cos and cos. Multiply and divide. Here I want 1 minus sin. So multiply and divide by 1 minus sin. So it will be 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. By cos theta, 1 minus sin theta. Any one method you have to do, any one which is easy for you. I want cos, so I will multiply by cos and cos. Suppose this at the time of moment you are not getting. I want 1 by sin, 1 minus sin in denominator. So multiply and divide by this. So denominator. What you want that you can multiply and divide. By both you will get this. Cos into cos is cos square. And cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square. Okay, I want cos and cos multiply and divide. This is to get it exactly the same. Cos into cos square. Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. 1 minus sin square. This is you can write 1 square minus sin square. This is known as a square minus b square. This you can write as a plus b, a minus. So this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta. This is 1 plus sin theta. 1 minus sin. This cancelled. So you got cos theta is equal to cos by. So here you will write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So you got your right hand side. Again, sec is equal to 1 by cos, tan is equal to sin by cos. 1 plus sin joint common divisor, cos. I want cos in numerator. So multiply and divide by cos. Bracket into bracket same. Bracket into bracket same. Cos into cos square. Cos square is equal to 1 minus sin square. So 1 minus sin square. A square minus b square means a plus b, a minus b. Take this cancel. Same. Here now a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. This will be same. One minus sin square is equal to cos square. Cos square means cos theta into cos theta. This will cancel. So cos is it again? This and this are written same. This I have explained again. Now I want 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine in denominator. So multiply and divide by 1 minus sine. So here I want 1 minus sine in denominator. So multiply and divide. A plus b, a minus b. So a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square is equal to cos square. Cos square is equal to cos into cos. Cos will cancel. Cos theta. Cos cancel. Cos by 1 minus sin. So here also. Method is slightly different because sin and cos that you can't convert into any other ratio. These are the basic. So always try to convert into sin cos. And whatever it is required as per that multiply divide by numerator conjugate or by denominator conjugate. This for the proof, these are the unique method for 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard also you will do this. Same identity, same formula, same application. Write the equation, take only left hand side, write only left hand side, try to convert all the things into sin and cos. Then apply this formula. Try to get right hand side. Then left is equal to right. Then again right the equation. It's a unique method to prove any trigonometrical equation. 9, 10, 11, 12 standard. So this is 8th sum. 9th we have done. And one sum I have taken from the problem set. That a square plus b square is equal to a square into b square. And in this I have explained that a plus b is equal to 2, a square plus b square also is equal to 2. 24-hour completed, but no one have given me the answer. And I told you that from when they have learned the trigono, from tuitions or classes or wherever, you ask them, get the answer, what the answer they are giving. And even you are not eager to know the answer. If you don't know the answer, if you can't find the answer, nobody is asking. In last lecture, 10 minutes I spent on that. That if you will find out the basic answer of this, then you know something about the trigo. If you don't, then you don't know about anything in the trigo. But no one is eager even to ask, even to know the answer. Ten. N divided by 1 plus 10 square of that square plus cot E divided by 1 plus cos square E. We have to prove sin theta, sin A. Left hand side. Tan A divided by 1 plus 10 square A of square plus cot A 1 plus cos square A and square of square is it given. So we know that 1 plus 10 square is equal to sec square. 1 plus 10 square A is equal to sec square A and 1 plus cos square A is equal to, so tan theta, this is sec square A of square. I am substituting cot A power of power. So this will be 4 power. Sec raised to 4A. This is cot A. This is the substitution. 1 by sec is equal to cos. 1 by cosec is equal to sin. So this will be tan A dot sec means what? Cos raised to 4A. Cot A. Cosec means what? Sin. Here we will write 1 by sec A is equal to cos A. 1 by cosec A is equal to sin A. By substitution these two. Now again tan sin into cos. Priya, how many minutes remain? Sin theta, cos theta. Priya, tan is equal to sin by cos. Cot is equal to cos by sin. Cos 1 power reduce this. So it is color is 1 reduce. So sin A cos B. This cos A sin B. Sin and cos common. Sin A cos A. Sin A gone. Out of 3, 1 out. So inside 2 only. Cos square A. Cos out. Sin 1 out. So 2 remain. And sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 into anything is equal to 1. That is happening. Okay. So you write sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So you got this is equal to right hand side. Again, I am explaining this thing. What is given? Tan by 1 plus tan square of square. 1 by 1 plus cot square of square. So that I have copied. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. Square of square is 4 power. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. So square of square is equal to 4 power. 1 by sec is equal to cos. So cos raised to 4. 1 by cos is equal to sin. So cosec raised to 4, sin raised to 4. Again, then I have converted to sin divided by cos. Cot is equal to cos divided by sin. This will cancel 3 power. This will cancel 3 power. Sin cos, 1 power out. Sin out, nothing remaining. Out of cos cube, 1 cos out, so inside cos square. Cos 1 time out. Out of cos cube 3 power. 1 power out, so inside 2. And we know that sin square plus cos square or cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. So this into 1 is equal to sin and cos. Any doubt, any problem you can ask. How many minutes remain, Priya?